we got collapse of at least 3 to 4 floors. Unknown address. It's next to 123. Next to 123. Make it 121 for now.
Water. 3-3 Sophie, you can start into 5's line when we hook it up.
Truck, you got your aerial going up to the roof, right? 4. Our roof man can get a fish from up top looking down into the building on 2nd Avenue. Watch the chauffeur. We're going to do a search in 123. Make sure nobody's in there. 3. 1-1 OB to command. Pressure in the line. Give it a D now. So right here in front of the building. Stretch the line. 3 to ladder 9 roof. That building looks from up there. Oh, pushing out. Right now it's coming out of the shaft. We have it coming out of the bulkheads as well. Structural stability. Now. 3-3 chauffeur. Stop. Command to all units, Division 1 is on the scene. Division 1 will be command. Battalion 6 will be operations. We'll go into the command channel. When you're ready, Ivan. Division 1 Alpha, Mike, give me a list of my battalion chiefs coming in and get me 2 extra battalion chiefs. Occupancy exposure 4, commercial. Ladder 1-1, you are now Battalion 6's operations. Direct all your contacts to Battalion 6 operations. Do not call Division 1 unless urgent. Right, you're ready to exposure 2. Building, exposure 2. Give me that, who's in here? Right, we're evaluating exposure 2. Battalion 6 is operations. We're a block away. I'll be right there. Hey. All right, John, when you get here, I'm putting you in exposure 4. You're going to be exposure 4 sector when you get in. We're going on a command channel. I'm on command. I'll be at exposure 4. 4. Battalion 6's operations. EJ is right in front of the fire building. Battalion 6 to ladder 3. We need a line up there in the exposure 2. Well, give us a little more pressure, Ivan. Command to any other battalions on the scene. Hey, Mike. Command post is right here on 7th Street and 2nd Avenue. Report in. For a minute. Stop. Down for me. I got going into the exposure 2 with a line. All right? 33. Get out of here. Get out of here. 33 engine going into 28 engine. 28 engine. For the sake, I have 28 engine going into exposure 2 with a line. Affirmative. We're going to stretch the line into exposure 2. To command with urgent. Rescue, go ahead with the urgent. Basement on 4-5. Is it in there? Hey, Rex. 1 to rescue 1. Urgent. Everybody else stay off this radio. Go ahead, rescue 1. On the hook. I got fire in the basement on 45 East 7th Street. I need a line. I'm coming. I want you to back out. Get out of that basement. I got to get people in there. Back out. Get out of that basement. You have no line at this time. Mike, Battalion 6 to Division 1. Mike, Engine 5 stretching that line to the basement on the on 2nd Avenue and East 7th Street. All right? Well, we're going to a command channel. I got to get more chiefs, so we're going to command. Talk to me on command. Guys, Brendan Manning from the 7th. He's going to go in the exposure 2 on 123. Squad. Give us 1 second. Go ahead. Division 1 command to ladder 9. Ladder 9. Exposure 2, where are you? Exposure 2. You got guys upstairs all the way to the top floor. 1-0, Battalion 6 to Division 1. I got Brendan Manning here. You need him around there as a sector chief on the 2 side? Who's the sector chief? Who's that? Next. Cool. Put him in exposure 2. Put him on the command. He's on sector 2 chief. 2. Battalion 7 is your is coming to the 2 side, Mike. Battalion 7, Brendan Manning. Over. To order.
We got a collapse.
Mayday, mayday. Mayday. Division 1 Command, all units out of the building. Mayday, mayday, mayday. All units out of the building. Division 1 Command, the Battalion 7, next Ghost Rider, the sector. And bucket. Command, Battalion 2. Roof, to the roof. To the roof, 2 on the 4 side. You got a man on the roof. Ladder 9, roof. To the roof. Get the bucket to the roof. It's almost all steps. Exposure 4 side. Bucket to the roof. The bucket, all right? You see his hand waving there? Everybody out of the building. We're going to a roll call. Everybody out of the building. Battalion 2 to command. Mayday. Mayday, mayday, Battalion 2. Control, we're going to set up the multiversal right in front of the building. You got me? What's that for?
Top floor of the fire building in case everybody goes to the windows.
Battalion to command. You have Battalion 2 trying to call you with a mayday.
Go with your mayday. Battalion 2, go with your mayday. Battalion 2, go ahead with your mayday.
Bring us to the fire building top floor area in case someone comes to the roof.
Command, the Battalion 2 with your mayday. Go ahead with your mayday. Ladder 9, ladder 9.
Ladder 9.
Oh, you guys?
4.
The top floor, they were your guys. You got them?
My guys.
Guys, I want you outside of the street. Get ready for a roll call. And 6 to rescue 1. Rex. Members.
Division 1. Rescue, I got Richie and Mike. I got them in the street.
I got all my members, Chief.
Fuck it to Division. Division 1.
To rescue room.
I'm okay, Cap. I'm okay. 9 bucket to Division 1.
The roof.
Roof, I'm okay. I'm in the bucket. 9 bucket to Division 1 with an urgent. With an urgent.
Jersey, go ahead.
Get me water to the bucket. I got heavy fire through the roof of the fire building and into exposure 4. I need water. Into the bucket.
Look, you need water into 9 truck. We'll get it.
Urgent, Squad 18 urgent. We got 4 members. We're coming down ladder 11 right now.
Up a tower out of here.
Heavy fire in the roof. We are evacuating the roof. If you can send a bucket up here, that'd be appreciated.
Command, mayday to all units on the tactical channel. Everybody out of all buildings. I need everybody in the street. Everybody out. Let's go. Out, everybody out. The 1-1 roof.
not, brother.
Urgent. All units, we're doing electronic roll call. Everybody key their mic. 3 times. Fourth one. Coming down ladder 11 now. Last one off the roof. Officer, Angel 1 officer. Angel 1 officer. Roll call officer calling you. Acknowledge. Yeah, you okay? Fine, bro. We're trying to get a line to the tower ladder. Mr. 1, keep your mic forthwith. Come in. Officer Squad 18. Control man accounted for it. Never mind, we got it. So the engine 4, all members key your mic. Engine 4, all members key your mic. Mayday. Ladder command Mayday. Keep water in this bucket as soon as you can, Chief. Officer to engine 9, go ahead with your Mayday. Ladder 9. Especially his roof man. Command, engine 9, ladder 9 is missing the roof man. This roof man with me, he's alright. Multiversal and put the... Roof. Officer to engine 5, all members, key your mic for the electronic roll call. Multiversal and hook that line into the tower ladder, please. We need water in the tower ladder, not the multiversal. Officer, engine company, all members, engine company 6, key your mic for the electronic roll call. Rescue battalion, where are you? We got fire crossing over into 4A across the shaft. Engine 6 control. Acknowledge for the roll call. All officers to engine 7. All members engine 7. Key your mic for the electronic roll call. Squad 1 to command, urgent. We need a line, top floor, exposure 4A. We got fire extending over here. 4A. And you got fire on the 4A's roof now. Order to bucket 9. No order to bucket 9. Free water in bucket 9. Bucket 9. Can you get water in bucket 9? Ladder 9 with the manifold.
electronic roll call.
Tower ladder 9, guys. We need water.
Officer to ladder company 3. Ladder company 3. 9, did you get water?
All members counted for. Nothing and put it in the bucket.
Alright, Skipper. Officer to ladder 5. Ladder 5 officer acknowledged. All members clicks on the mic. All members accounted for. Where you guys at?
Rescue time.
Officer to ladder 8. Ladder 8. Acknowledge ladder 8 members. Key your mic.
Rescue battalion.
Sir, to ladder company 7. Ladder company 7. All members key your mic.
Into the command post.
You don't have water yet? Command, I'll get water now from engine 9. Battalion. To the ladder 7, can you account for your irons, man?
All my members are accounted for, okay?
Oh, officer to ladder company 6. All members key your mic for electronic roll call. Out of the collapse zone. Let's go, ladder 1. Move it down. Ladder 1. Roll call, officer to 1, company 4. Engine company 4, acknowledge the roll call. Ladder 1.
4th and 5th floor in 45. You got fire in the basement there? 10-4. Short shelf. Short shelf. And that's 6. Pull your men. Roll your men. Yeah, engine 1-4, I have all the members. Officer to engine company 1-6. Engine company 1-6 and all members acknowledged. 1-6, all members present and counted for, except for our chauffeur. 7 Alpha. 2-4, engine 2-4, all members acknowledge the electronic roll call. Engine 2-4. Group to squad 18 can. Charge that line, we're all on our way up with it. Charge line is squad 1-8, ready for order. Having an engine 1-6, charge our line. Rescue company 1 acknowledged by keying your mic. To the command, urgent. Structural damage on. Just so you know, keep the back wall blowing out here. The building, get out. Rescue 1 and rescue 2. The building. Did you copy my message? Get out of the building. Can we imagine battalion 9? Rescue 2 is leaving the building. Rescue 2, safety to rescue 2. Are you in exposure 2? Come order. Rescue 2. Are you in exposure 2? To the squad 18, chauffeur, urgent. Exposure 2, corner building is no good. You have structural damage, heavy fire. We're getting out. Down with you. To squad 18, can you guys delay on getting your orders? Battalion 8. Free chauffeur, charge the line. Take ahead, Battalion 6. Pull the troops out of the building there in the explosion. Yes, rescue 2 is leaving right. Nobody else allowed in this building. When rescue 2 comes out, make sure they're all accounted for. All the brothers are accounted for, all right? Rescue company 2. Hallway. Roll call officer to rescue company 1 can. Rescue company 1 can acknowledge roll call. And okay, we're on the top floor of exposure. Roll call officer, all members rescue 2. Rescue company 2, key your mic for roll call. Can we get more pressure? Hot water at squad 18's line. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Go up as far as you can, as far as you can. Keep going, keep going. Go up as far as you can. Go over. Company 2, Irons, acknowledge roll call. Acknowledge roll call. That's can. Resupply the water, please. Can you give us more pressure? 2-4 to Chief Gary. Roll call officer, ladder company 3, ladder 3. Can you account for your men? Roll call officer, all members accounted for. So you can charge that What? Officer to Ladder Company 5, officer. Can you account for your men? Ladder Company 5. Members accounted for. What's the engine 33 chauffeur? Be careful then. All cracking there, you see that? In the front of the old law there.
7 to Battalion 6.
To Battalion 7, go.
2 going into exposure 3. We got the bricks heating up there on exposure 3. They're going in to check that building for extension now, okay?
I lost your transmission. Rescue 2 is doing what?
Going into exposure 3.
Operations to the rescue. Fire.
Check to the ladder 6. Can we set up that multiversal right here in the middle to the taxpayer? 4.
Operations to
Officer to engine 10. Engine 10 acknowledged. Can you count for your members? This is engine 10. 4, engine 10. Ladder 6, Jay. Ladder 6.
your rig moves now. Go. Safety to ladder 6. I need your rig move now. 4, on the way.
Bucket, when you get a chance, charge the bucket. Company 3-3, engine 3-3. Water. Engine company 3-3, acknowledge.
Order's coming. 9 buckets, get ready.
Order. You to Battalion 7.
Rescue 2, what's your message?
Get a couple of hairlines over here. You hit the rear of the fire building. You hit a lot of fire back here if we have a 2.5 or 2.5.
7 to Battalion 6.
Bucket, see if you can get in the corners there. If you can get some stream in the corners. All members, engine, fight for the roll call.
Can we get a line into exposure 3?
Battalion 6 to Battalion 8. Johnny Corcoran.
Hey, go.
Sheriff Brendan, he needs a line in exposure 3. Can you get that for me? Take exposure 3, all right? 3, 10-4.
Battalion 7.
7, go.
Multiple lines if you can get them. Multiple lines if you can get them.
Battalion 7 and Chief Gallup.
Johnny Corcoran, did you get that? They need multiple lines back there in the rear. All members on the scene. Refrain from radio traffic unless urgent. We got to finish this roll call. Roll call, officer. Engine 3-3, acknowledge.
3 responded with 4-5. All my members accounted for. What roll call officers? Somebody just gave a mayday.
Call officer, engine 4-4, acknowledge. That was a roll call officer to give the emergency alert tone for roll call. Engine 4-4, acknowledge.
Members accounted for, okay.
Mark. Rescue 2.
Need anything other than lines? These windows are going to
No, they're working on line 3 right now.
Full officer, engine 5-4, can you count for your men? Officer, engine company 5-4.
Squad 1 to rescue 1. We got the fire knocked down here. We got it under control. Just open it up. You need a hand up there?
What's the hazmat?
Battalion 7 to engine 14.
Battalion, hazmat battalion acknowledged.
Hazmat battalion, responder 1 firefighter, all accounted for.
Battalion 7. Oh, Brendan, you got Johnny Corcoran back there to help you. Battalion 8, plus he's getting a couple of lines for you, all right? Up. Rex, go ahead. What's up? Rescue 1, go.
Rescue battalion.
Go.
Some west up here and exposure 4. I think it's in the Cotswold.
Correct?
Story.
10-4, I'm sending a couple of trucks up.
Battalion 7.
You tell us.
Command.
Over.
She's doing a Battalion 7, K.
Let's go.
Unfail over here. I need those lines.
Coming up now. You're shooting the fire building. You're in the, across the street, 18 bucket.
Okay, 10-5, that message. Building 8. 7 is coming up with that line, 2.5-inch line now. Chauffeur with the Mayday. Is it clear? Rescue 1, come in. This is Battalion 6. Forward to Rescue 1. Exposure 2, we're losing the top floor. Heavy smoke now, okay? All the members and get out of there, all right? Let me know when you're out of there, okay? Everybody's out of exposure. Now going into exposure 3, see if we can hit it from the rear, okay? Hey, what exposure were you in? Did you say repeat that exposure? You touch me, Jimmy Ramos' phone number. I'm trying to find him here. Jimmy Ramos' cell phone number. I think it's kind of right back to you. It's a I thought I remember seeing it there.
Contact 1.
Rescue 2, go. Just so you know, 43 is about to go. I can see it's pushing hard out the rear windows now, Chief. That now, in the rear? Yeah, second line. Ladder 7 to engine 16. In the rescue.
I'd like the remainder of your company, along with Squad 18, to be down at the command post. Mayday, sir. I'm on the yeah, guys.
There's now. Report members. Report back to the line. Sorry. About 4 feet, Chris. Rescue 4 to rescue 4 can. Full intact. There's no fire outside these windows as of yet. What's that?
Battalion 6. One, could you lower your aerial so the tower ladder can operate. Ladder 7.
Hey, Rich, what building are you in? Battalion 7. Brendan, go ahead with your message.
We got ground floor stores on Explosion 2. We got fire showing in there now, too. We got Squad 288 going in. We're going to need another line here, too, also.
Who's that, Brendan? Give me a name. Do you know a name?
Explosion 2. On the side, it's a King's Copy Store.
Okay, King's Copy Store. Is that correct? 4. Basement in the first floor also.
I don't think it's worth doing it.
Sit down, Chief. We're heading down. Top floor, you want to head down the street?
Rescue 1 is on the top floor. Squad 1 and hazmat I have on the 6th floor. If we can get line units up here, I can cut them loose to address any maydays.
Any more, Rich? Don't use that term, and you can bring one of them down, I'll send somebody else up.
Oh, I got hook. Heading to command post. squad, look.
Exposure 4A, rear. Over. You can give me a little bit more pressure in the hand line.
Clear. And move.
Coming over 16's rig. Tap. Squad up.
In the street, we'll meet in front of the building. Members operating on the first floor to 2-3 corner of the fire building.
One. I hear you 1-4, I hear you 1. Fine, go ahead.
Go on that 2.5.
Engine 1, to engine 1-4. I'm on the 2.5. We made the roof. We're ready for water. Start water. Relay your message to engine 5 to start water.
10-4. 1-4 to engine 5. Charge that second 2.5. 10-4. Chief Gallup. The hole, other end of the hole. 4 to Division 1.
Go ahead.
I call it to 11 truck rig. Ladder 1 to engine 2H over. Point. Water's on the way.
10-4.
4, take command. Engine 4-4. Is on the exposure 4C side. I can get a hand line up here, and I can hit it from this side. Okay. Just give me the okay.